Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix video unavailable errors on YouTube. So if you're seeing this page on certain videos, this video is unavailable notification on certain YouTube videos, here's what to do. So you'll need to go over to your YouTube and at the top right corner, you want to click on your profile icon, scroll down to the bottom and then click on send feedback. This will provide a page where you can describe your feedback, also provide a screenshot of this page where you see video unavailable, and then send the message. You can expect a response in about 72 hours or less. So basically you want to tell them what has happened, that you're experiencing video unavailable and that stops you from actually seeing the video. And then of course you want to also have a screenshot to add to the message to help them understand your situation better. However, before sending this message, you need to understand that your ad blockers might be the cause of the problem. So you might want to open another browser in order to watch the video where you don't have an ad block, because ad blocks actually do cause these problems. So you might want to go through your extensions and check out the ad block and you'll see that that might be the problem. So first things first, of course, you might want to check the ad block, and after that, if it doesn't work, you can still send the feedback with a screenshot stating the situation. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to fix video unavailable errors on YouTube.